R&D, production, and sales of laser application equipment. Products mainly include CNC router, fiber laser cutting machine, laser welding machine. Our cooperation factory is located in Huachuang Science and Technology Industrial Park, Tihe County, Shandong Province, with a production base of 10,000 square meters. The company has more than 55 outstanding employees, of whom more than 70% are professional and technical personnel. The company has established long-term cooperative relationships with many universities in industry, education, research, and personnel training. A professional and quick response customer service team of 25+ people provides 24-hour online and offline technical services in 12 languages. The company's products have obtained CE and FDA international certifications and have more than 20 utility model patents and appearance design patents. The products are exported to more than 150 countries and regions, such as Russia, the United States, South Korea, India, Thailand, Poland, Vietnam, and Malaysia. In order to better serve customers, the company has successively built overseas warehouses in the UK, France, Dubai, and Oman to provide high-quality products and technical support. Our products can be widely used in electronic appliances, precision machinery, integrated circuits, auto parts, kitchen and bathroom hardware, smart home, handicraft processing, fashion and lighting industries.